Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today we have a follow-up service call for a large York RTU. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. Today we are back for this York RTU, and the plan here is to remove the 2-circuit evaporator coil and install a new one. For the sake of time, I might break this up into 2 videos, but let's just see how things go. So we have 2 compressors here, and we have 2 separate refrigerant circuits. It's just they share the evaporator coil. Even though there are separate circuits, they do share of the physical evaporator coil. So there is a leak in this system. So the first circuit, which is this one, is completely empty. So if you work on one of these, you're gonna have to recover 2 different times. These are 2 different circuits. So I got my gauges right now on this circuit, which is number 2, I believe. Or maybe I just labeled it as 2, whatever. So we're gonna recover from 1 circuit here, because that's all that's left. I got my fuel piece recovery machine, recovery tank, manifold. So let's start by recovering 1 circuit, because like I said, this one's empty. But last time I was here, I found this one low on charge as well. So we'll see. That the evaporator coil is in such bad shape. I wonder if the 2nd circuit leak is in that coil as well, but we're gonna find out. Let's start this up. All right guys, we're recovering. Let's get this refrigerant out safely, and let's get this thing started. This is the infamous LG building, but look at this construction site, man. You guys seen this when there was nothing? I mean, this thing is up there. Get you guys a better view. Might find it interesting to see. And yeah, the way we get up here, we gotta go through all these stairs. But man, look at this site. You can't tell too much, but all the way down there, look at that. Wow, that's a serious job. Once the foundation and everything was built, they brought this up so fast. Poor neighbors, this must be super loud over here. All right everyone, the recovery is done. Definitely the best way is let's open up this top lid. Inside right here is the evaporator coil. Like this, we'll be able to lift it straight out. Here's our blower section, and that's probably our best bet, and we'll see how this coil's actually secured. All right, feels like we're on top of the world. Anyways, I got all the screws out. Let's open this up. All right, hold up. Okay, that's to the side now. All right, now I'm just gonna slide this over. And this is the coil we need to change. What is this? This side doesn't look that bad, but when you guys see the other side, oh Lord. So, oh, I see there's screws along the side here holding the coil. There's a guard on top of it, and it's probably the same thing on the other side. No, it's open. Anyways, just keep in mind how this is. If you want, take pictures, but let's take out these screws and we'll get this top plate off. Okay, a lot of wires here. Can we get in this? Okay, that came out. We got some screws here. Let's see, will this be enough? Take this all out. There's also that top plate there. Oh, maybe that's what that is. There's supposed to be another one holding this up to support the cover. Yeah, this was a support. Why was that missing? This is all secure, huh? I guess I can go inside the unit. What's holding us up? Is it this piece here? Maybe you could tilt it back a little like this, and then we could pull it out. Yeah, just a little jammed over there. Just gotta tilt it back. Ah, there's another screw in here. Of course. What about here? Nope. All right. There we go. Let's keep this so we know. And we'll keep here our supports. This coil right here. So there's some screws on the side here holding it. Cool. I'm gonna take those out. Might need an angle bit for that one. And what's holding it here? There's this plate. No, that's just for the wires. I gotta see, but the coil I got came with the distributors and the 2 expansion valves. So what I would do is cut the pipe coming into the expansion valve, 2 circuits, and we should be free. Oh my god, this thing is horrible. A lot of bugs in this coil as well. Let's see, I see some screws on that side, but I don't know if that's... Oh yeah, there's screws in here behind this panel. Screws this, oh wait, there's actually screws on this side too. What the? Don't tell me I gotta rip apart this whole thing here. Let's see. This right here is the filter rack. Actually, I see some screws here. Wait, that's just holding, oh yeah, that's holding this metal thing. I might be able to take off these screws, and that I'll lift it up with the metal. Then I can reassemble it, right? Yeah. I gotta take this off. And that'll free up this metal piece. All right, so there's a ton of screws we gotta take out, and it's important to check how this is put together so we can put it back safely as well. All right, so I got most of the screws out. There were screws in here. I know this isn't gonna be in my way when I try to lift this thing up. So let me see. Can I kind of like pull this out a bit? Yeah, let's just be careful with that. Now this will be more flexible. Clean that after. I got screws out of here. Is it enough? Thing is, this might need to come out because this plate is holding on to this, and this right here is still connected. How am I gonna get to the screws behind here? They installed this duct thing, so this has to come out in one piece. This thing's gonna have to come out. Thing is, there's these little tabs in here. Oh, right there. Yeah. So here are my 2 circuits. Cut one here and one here. Just wondering. I don't think so. I don't think there's any screws coming this side. They're just the other side. Let's just see. Is there anything holding this side? Can we even see it? I doubt it. Over here, that's separate. This is our furnace section. No, that's nothing. Anyways, there's no refrigerant in there. Cut here. Cut here. It's a 3/8 pipe. I'm gonna cut this part of the TXV because I want to reuse this pipe. What I would do is run nitro through it, melt this area off, and everything should line up perfectly. So That's why I'm cutting it after the connection, because I want that length of pipe. So let's cut this out and see what happens. All right, this one I gotta like kind of push it out. Yeah. Also here are our bulbs for the TXVs. I also marked them. Oh man, look how loose this is. This thing is broken. This clip was broken. That's no good. All right, let's do the other one. Wow, unreal. That thing don't look good either. Let's cut that out and get that out of the way while I cut this. This one's already cut. All right, both pipes are cut, but look at this right here. That could be another leak right there. As we know, there's another leak in this system. That's a rub out right there. I'll take a picture so you guys can see. Wow, it might be okay, but it's on its way out. Look at that, wow. All right, this is all pretty much freed up here. Pipes are cut, bulbs are off, most of the screws are out. The problem is there's screws on this plate onto this metal, which holds this filter rack together. I'm not gonna be able to get the bottoms off. This filter rack has to come out. Hey, okay. As of right now, I got the screws off all on this side. It's just I got screws like there all across down. This is in my way. I can't get my drill into there. I either take this out and get those screws out, or I gotta take out this whole filter rack. I gotta figure something out. I took off the 2 screws for this little damper thing, and honestly I'd rather take this out and see if I can get those screws out instead of taking out that whole filter rack. This is like a lot easier to put together. So just gonna take out the screws around it and we'll be free. I got that piece off. Just gotta take out this little damper thing, and we should be able to get to the screws that are on the side here. Drill. All right, there was just 2 screws here. That's it. Put this up facing the top so we know exactly like where things go. And where are those screws? On the side of this. Oh yeah, I can get to the screws now with an extension. That's awesome. Perfect. This is just broken apart. I took off 2 screws here. It's gonna go sound like that, back in place. We'll be all right. Let's get the extension for the drill. Now we can get to the screws all on the side here. That should free it up. And now we can get it. Get those screws out, you see that? So there's some screws on the side here that we gotta take off, and I hope that frees this thing up. All right, so we got the inlet cut. This is our liquid line going into our expansion valve, which is a TXV, a thermostatic or thermal expansion valve, however you like to call it. Then it goes into the coil, does its thing, and then what happens is this is actually our suction line right here. See this? It goes straight to the compressor. We gotta remove the pipe here, and then this coil can be free. We gotta cut the suction line. I don't think I can get a cutter in here, so I might need to sweat it off. We're gonna take these off at the seam here. I got a fireproof mat here, cut back on that insulation. Look at these temperature sensors, just sitting here with a tie wrap. Let's get that out the way. We don't wanna melt that. And should be okay from there. All right, so what we're gonna do is run some nitro through here and sweat these off. Pull here, separate them, pull here, separate them. Let's see what happens. You guys can hear that? So we're flowing nitro through that circuit, which is actually this one, because that's the only one I have my gauges connected to. Okay, let me adjust this here. This is used for, it's a regulator to run nitro through when you're brazing. Let's have like a little bit flowing through, tiny bit. No, a little lower. There's like a little orange ball in there. And I'm just adjusting it through the regulator. Make sure we're flowing that so we don't build any carbon. Right there, perfect. That's good. All right, Chris.
Yeah.
Hold on to this pipe right here. So you're gonna pull that.
Yeah.
Hold up, let me get my striker. I got a fireproof cloth here. I'm gonna pull this one this way while you pull towards you. So we just want to separate this joint. I don't want to add couplings to this or anything, so. All right, right there. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, pull. Start to pull. That's it. Stay there. Pull back a little. Now we're gonna switch over to the other line. Why is that not going on? Come on. All right, we're gonna switch over to the other line. We're gonna run nitro through there. Confirm that you got nitro flowing, okay? It's coming out?
Yeah.
All right. Let's adjust this. And we're pretty much gonna do the same thing. That's flowing. Right there. Okay. This one, just gotta be careful, make sure we don't burn any wires. All right, let's do it. Pull, pull. All right, hold it. I'm trying to figure out what's holding me here. Let's open this up. I took this out. Looks like it's just sitting in the pan. There wouldn't be any screws in the pan, so I can see the whole thing there. Also loosen this all up. I don't think there's anything really holding this anymore. Maybe we could push this back just to free up a little space in there because it's a little bit tight. I feel like it's just jammed. These pipes are just jammed in there right now. Took this door off because it holds onto this metal bracket here. I wonder, maybe I should just take that out. What else is holding this? Just this little bracket here. Oops. Let's remember to get that back. Let's take this out. I don't know. Take all this stuff off. Let's take that metal thing out, man. See what we see in here. The other side seems free. Took out this panel here. This is all freed up now. This should lift out. This is so many leak points here, honestly. Oh man. Bees, anyways. Took this out as this is all free now. Should be able to get this out now. Move this out the way. Let's try to lift up a bit. It's getting loose. It's just getting it out of here. You know what? We got. Oh, I want to pull it back, but that's in the way. You know, this is kind of in our way now. Let me see something. Jeez, man. I might need to cut this pipe. And that should make it easier. Let me see something. Oh yeah, it comes out.
Yeah,
it's loose. It's just this is in the way now. All this stuff. Space to cut this out right now. Honestly, it's probably gonna be our best bet so we don't get stuck all here. There's a lot of things in my way, that's the problem. If that rack can come out, honestly, it probably would have made things easier. I might take it out, but let's start with this. We just gotta do what we gotta do. Let me cut this out, man. We're good, we got the same OEM coil, so we should be all right. Let's get this out the way. Cut this piece out the way just to make things a little easier, and I took out a tie strap here, so I made more space here. All right, man, this thing should come up. Just gotta watch these wires here. Let me tuck them in and pull this up. Hold up. Yeah. It's loose. Let's shimmy this thing out. I'm gonna pull it up from here. Your side is free, right? Yeah. Hold up. What's holding me? All right, it's off the pan. Up. Hold up. Bring yours up straight up. If you can't. Oh, that's coming out. Hold on. Let's go. Hold on, we gotta come out even. Pull up. Up. Oh, wait, calm down. Down. That pipe is in the way here. Hold on. Yeah, we're right there. We just... Man, if we had that side open over there, that would be nice. Hold up a second. That one pipe is in the way. If I cut that back short, it'll be easier. Let's give it one more try. Well, watch, see this? That gets stuck into here. So we gotta... Can I take this out? And I just shimmy it out? All right, come on. Up. I gotta go towards you. Okay. Is there space towards you?
No, yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, let me cut that pipe. Put it down. Okay. You gotta get your hands out of there. We gotta go that way. Find somewhere else to grab it. This thing is junk already, okay? Try it. I need it to go that way. Don't put your hands there. Let's go. Come up. Up. All right. Can you bring yours up? Jesus. All right. Hold on. Down. I need to go towards you. Down a little. Down. It's gonna be hard to get the new one in. Might need a different plan. Can you go up? I mean, to your side a little. All right, up. Pretty much free here. Up. Evenly. You can grab it from the side now. That's above the unit. This side of the coil, man. Over here where the U-bends are. Let's go. Up. Up. Hold on. Nothing's in my way. Come, come. Up. Hold up. TXV. Okay. Hold up. I think it's free. Hold on. Keep that there, okay? Nothing's pulling here. Up. Just late. Bring it to the side. Yeah. Okay. All right. Woo! That thing is out, man. Oh God. All right. Slide it over a bit. Okay. We're just gonna push it down the side over there. Let's swing it a little. This way, you grab that side. No. You gotta bring that side towards you. You gotta bring that side. You gotta lift it, man. Uncorner yourself and lift it up. Bring it down, leave it on the, bring it down on the duct. Okay. And it's out. Hold up. All right, walk it to me. Lift it a little. Hold that bottom side. Get on, hold that side to bring it down. No, down this way, man. You're gonna grab that side. Yeah, so yes. And let's bring it straight down. That's it. Perfect, man. And we out.
Awesome.
Oh my God. All right, we're inside here. How much packed up dirt is in here. We're gonna clean up this pan before we put in a new one. That's just insane. Just so you guys can see all the mud that's in here. This is way too much. Let's clean that up. I mean, if you can pull this kind of stuff out of the condensate pan, that can't be good. Unreal. Let's get all this stuff out of here. Just handfuls of dirt, man. Part of the coil. All right. The mission right now is to go from there all the way up and up top over there and bring it down towards our unit. Bring it out a little more. All right, hand truck is done. Let's go. Just watch the turns. I'll be going backwards for this one. Watch the sides. Got it? Okay. All right. We're making it. Pretty uncomfortable, but it is what it is.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah.
Just watch careful with the turns. All right, bring it down. Just keep it safe. Take a break. And we gotta go up there. Watch the turn. Hold up. Get a better grip. Okay, let's go. Just watch the turns. Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Over there. Bring it down. Okay. Here's how we gotta go through this. Figure out how to get it up top. Okay. Hold on. Stay there for a second. All right, come inside. Come. Let's go. Hold on. Actually, hold it there, okay? Hold it right there. Hold on. Hold on, I need somewhere to stand, man. Hold up. Okay. Come inside. Come inside, I got it. Hold up. Move these pipes a little. Hold it with a rope. Hold on. Hold up. Ready? Hold it good, okay?
Alright.
Hold up. Hold on. Alright, come. Hold on. Hold it good. Get it further in. Oh, yeah. Hold up. All right. Hold it good, okay?
Yeah.
It's kind of resting here. Hold on. It's just these things in the way a little. Okay. Down. Towards, all right. Oh yes, it's on that piece.
Yeah.
I think we're in, man. We're in.
Yeah.
Just gotta match up the holes.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, man. All right, it's in there. I put all the screws, put all this stuff back, and we put the filters back in. They're not that bad. I just changed them the other day. All this lines up. It's all taped up for now. Gotta fix up some of these wires. I fixed up some of it here, so it looks a little better. Doesn't get caught up in anywhere. We'll cut these pipes, put those two together, put those two together. We'll be good. And there's two filter dryers over there. I'm gonna run nitro braze over there, but we're just gonna put the cover on and we're gonna wrap it up for today. Part 2 is gonna come out next, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna braze everything and, you know, do a leak check and do some sort of pressure test, either a holding charge with nitro or pull a vacuum and see if it holds overnight. But we're just gonna put all this stuff back. Oh man, this was not as simple as it might look, even though it might not even look simple. But we're gonna wrap it up from here. It's nice and sunny now. We got a helicopter over there. And if anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come out with new videos every week. And I'll catch you all next time.